how to fix can't receive gifts in Fortnite. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where people are unable to send you gifts and you're unable to receive gifts in Fortnite. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So real quick, before we start, it's important to note that you need to be friends with someone on Fortnite for 48 hours before you can receive a gift from them. Now, if it's been past 48 hours, we can go into the settings in Fortnite and check to see if your account currently has gifts disabled. So to do that, select your avatar in the top right of Fortnite to open the menu, then scroll to the right until you get to the gear and select settings. Now that we're in the settings in the top menu, scroll all the way to the right until you get to that person icon. And in the left menu, all you need to do is scroll down until you get to social privacy and then go to the right and select can receive gifts. Now, if this is off, that would be the reason that you can't receive a gift. So we just need to select it, change it to on, and then save that using apply. And then now you have enabled gifts and you can now receive gifts in Fortnite. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.